One other different sketch tool we'll take a look at here is the Offset Entities tool. Once you have some sketch geometry in place, you can use this tool to create a copy of that geometry that is offset by a given distance. When the Offset Entities tool is activated, you see the Property Manager change to show us some options. One of them is the offset distance. I'll type in a value and click the geometry I want to offset. You can either select all the geometry in the graphics area, or if the geometry forms a chain, you only need to select one segment and check the Select Chain option. You'll immediately see a preview of the offset geometry. If you want to change the direction of the offset, you check this box here. If you want to create the offset in both directions, check the bidirectional box here. If you choose the bidirection option and the geometry is open-ended, you can use this option to cap the ends of the offset geometry with a line or an arc. Finally, if you'd like to change the original geometry to a construction line when completing the offset, check the Make Base Construction box.